Morning students, I Vaishali ma'am welcome you once again in Alchemy Online Tutorials class 2 subject mathematics. In the last class we have understood the concept of subtraction with regrouping and subtraction without regrouping. Now moving forward, first we will solve this exercise which is question number 2, subtract the following numbers. This exercise is from your course book. So come, let's solve this. Now, here the number is 63 minus 55. So, can I do minus from the smaller number to bigger number? Is it possible to take out the difference? Whenever we are taking out the difference, keep that point in a mind. The first number, it should be greater than this subtrahend, right? So, what you will do, cut 1, put 1, minus 1, right? After 5 till 13, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8 on my fingers. Now, here also 5 and downside also 5. 5 minus 5, I am having 5. 5 is taken by my sister. 0. So 5 minus 5, 0. The answer is 8. Now moving forward to the second sum. 79 minus 29. Again here you can see 9 minus 9. 9 chocolates I am having. And 9 chocolates I have given to my sister. Did I have anything now? No. So the answer is 0. Now 7 minus 2. We can do this minus? Yes. Because the minute is greater than the subtrahend. So after 2 till 7. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5. So the answer is 50. Now third sum from the course book, 54 minus 38. Now again we will see, can we do minus from 8 from 4? No, because it is smaller than 8. So we will borrow, cut 1, put 1, minus 1. After 8 till 14. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 6 on my fingers. Now 4 minus 3. After 3 till 4. After 3, 4. So 1 on my finger. So the answer is 16. Now last and final sum from the course book is 37 minus 90. So this one is smaller and this one downside number is greater. Again we will borrow, cut 1, put 1, minus 1. After 9 till 70. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 8 on my fingers. And 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1. Up to here. 8 on my fingers. Now 2 minus 1. So 2. From this 2 I have 2 minus 1. How many on my fingers? 1. So the answer is 18. So from that understanding of that, in the last class we have understood the concept with and without regrouping sums. You can easily solve the course book exercise, right students? So now moving forward, come let's see the example of course book, which is example number 3 and 4, subtraction of 2 digit.
Now as we started the new topic of subtraction of 2-digit number, so come let's read from the notebook and understand what examples are given. Let us quickly recall this concept through some example. example number 3, subtract 52 from 91. In that, step number 1, write the numbers in the column. So here you can see the numbers are written in the column 91 minus 52. Okay. Now step number 2, subtract the digit at the ones place. So first what we are doing, we are subtracting the digit, the numbers which is at ones place. So here you can see 1 and 2 are there. So can we take out the difference? No, because 1 is smaller than 2. So what we have done? We have cut 1, put 1 and borrowed from tens place and make it 11. Right? So now as 1 is smaller than 2, we cannot subtract 2 from 1. As this I have already explained you. So we will borrow from 9 tenths. We will regroup 9 tenths and 1 as 8 tenths and make it 11. As we have done. Now step 3, subtract 2 ones from 11 ones. Now 2 ones and 11 one we have to subtract. 11 minus 2 after 2 till 11. So subtract 2 from 11 ones, that is 11 minus 2, which makes 9. So what we have done in the step 3, we have write the answer at ones place. Now step 4, subtract the tens. After subtracting the ones, what we have to subtract is tens place, which is 8 minus 5. So the answer here you can see, answer is 39. So in the same way, following way, we are doing and solving the sums, right? So this is our example number 3 we have seen. Now moving forward down to our course book, which is to catch your mistake, what is right and what is wrong. So here you can see whenever there is a number with 1, so don't write it once. See, 9 tens, 1 ones. It can be 71 also, 61 also, 11 also, any number it should be. 9, 10, 1, 1. This concept is also wrong. And the last one here you can see 9 tens and 1 1. So if there is 81 number, then 8 tens and 1 1. Don't write ones. Make it clear in your mind. After the example number 3, we are going to see and understand the example number 4. Is it same the following step? Subtract 65 from 83. So 83 minus 65. Okay. So can we minus 3 from 5? No. So what we have done, we have regrouped and we have borrowed from the tens place and then we have made the number 13. Now 13 minus 5. After 5 till 13. So the answer which came on your finger is 8. So this is done for the one side, ones place. Now moving forward we see the number which are at tens place. So here you can see we have cut, we have borrow and we have make it 7 minus 6. So the answer is 1. Right? So the overall answer thus 83 minus 65 is equal to 18. After seeing the example number 3 and example number 4, subtraction of 2 digit with and without regrouping. Now come, let's solve this checkpoint of subtract the following numbers on the blackboard. So come, let's do it.
After seeing the example and the concept of subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping is very clear, right? Now further we will do more sums in the Zoom class. Till then students, take care and have a nice day.